Hello dear friends, welcome to Nurses Ladder. So today in this video I have come up with very interesting and most awaited video, that is admissions into PhD in nursing in 2021 in India. So before moving into this video, if there is anyone who is new to my channel and who is interested to watch videos related to nursing education and nursing career, you can better subscribe to my channel, and at the same time you have to press the bell icon for getting notifications related to new videos. So dear friends, let's start this video. So dear friends, as you all can see, this is an admission notification which was published by Indian Nursing Council in collaboration with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. So let us see this admission notification in detail. The number of seats for this admission into PhD in nursing is 30. In that, it is divided like psychiatric nursing 7, community health nursing 7, OBG nursing 6, medical surgical nursing 8, pediatric nursing 2. Along with that, 6 seats are reserved for the candidates working as a nursing faculty in College of Nursing affiliated to RGUHS, Bangalore. Eligibility criteria for applying for PhD in nursing in Indian Nursing Council is MPhil or MSc nursing or a postgraduate degree in nursing recognized by INC with 3 years teaching or clinical experience after MSc nursing. The candidate should have passed MSc nursing with minimum of 60% marks. Candidates working in teaching institution, hospital or community center. The criteria for selection is based on the merit which was acquired by the candidate in the entrance test. So the total mark for entrance test is 90 and minimum pass mark is 54 marks. Candidates possessing MPhil in nursing will be getting a grace mark of 5 marks, and a candidate who has publications, based on the number of publications, the candidate would get out of 5 marks. So this publication has to be in indexed journals only. Candidate has to enclose all these specific copies of certifications and application form, and this has to be sent to the nodal officer. A combined merit list will be prepared of all the MSc nursing candidates in all specialities based on their performance in section A and B of the entrance test. Separate merit list will be for candidates working in College of Nursing affiliated to RGUHS. Application form for entrance examination must be downloaded from the official website of Indian Nursing Council. The duly filled in application form must be submitted along with DD of ₹3,000 drawn in favor of Nodal Officer, National Consortium for PhD in Nursing, payable at Bangalore. And instructions for filling up of application form, that is incomplete application will be rejected. Declaration from principal CNO MS of the organization where the candidate is working. Application received after last date application will be rejected. Present place of work has to be duly filled in, otherwise it will be considered incomplete. Anybody involving in malpractice with respect to fake certifications, fake degree will be disqualified and suitable action will be initiated. Publication or details received after last date will not be considered. Options for center of examination to be ticked. Attested photocopy of 10th class certificate. Attested photocopy of MSc nursing degree mark sheets. Attested photocopy of MSc degree certificate, attested photocopy of MPhil nursing degree mark sheet, attested photocopy of MPhil nursing degree certificate. Self-addressed envelope to be enclosed for dispatching of admit card. Admit card generated by internet need to be submitted along with application form. Attested photocopy of teaching or clinical experience certificate after MSc nursing 3 years. Attested photocopy of all the publications. Now let's see the important dates. Date of notification is 31st May 2021. Last date for downloading application form from INC website is 20th June 2021. Last date of receipt of filled in application form at the Nodal Center up to 4 p.m. that is on 1st July 2021. So the Nodal Center for PhD in Nursing is St. John's College of Nursing, Bangalore. Last date of issue of admit card of entrance test from St. John's College of Nursing, Bangalore by post is 20th July 2021. Date and test of entrance test and venue is either Indian Nursing Council or RGUHS Bangalore. So this test will be conducted on 8th August 2021. Declaration of result would be after 5:30 p.m. on 16th August 2021. Last date of admission for selected candidates is 30th September 2021. Last date of admission for waitlisted candidates is 15th October 2021. Instruction for selected candidates. Authentication from SNRC with regard to RN and RM certificate, verification of original certificates and documents by nodal officer, transcript from Principal of College of Nursing from where the applicant has qualified MSc Nursing, and the duly filled in application form has to be submitted to the nodal center on or before 1st July 2021 by 4 p.m. to the following address. So again, along with this application notification itself, you can find the application form for entrance examination. You are supposed to fill this application form. Along with this application form, you are supposed to enclose all the certificates which has been mentioned here. These are the entrance exam centers for PhD in nursing under Indian Nursing Council. So you have to select one. Based on that, you can attend the entrance examination. So these are some of the enclosures which you need to enclose along with your application form. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you really like this video, please press the like button, and at the same time you have to share with your family and friends. Maybe this video would be also helpful for them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.